Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their Surface Pro 5 cannot even get through a meeting without needing a charge. This issue often arises due to battery wear over time, which can lead to reduced capacity and unexpected shutdowns. If this problem is not addressed promptly, it can hinder your productivity and lead to further complications. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a new battery specifically designed for the Surface Pro 5. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Using the suction cup, gently lift one corner of the screen to create a gap. Insert the plastic opening tool into the gap and carefully work your way around the edges to detach the screen from the device. Be cautious with the adhesive, as you don't want to damage the display. Once you have the screen off, you will see the battery located on the right side. It is typically secured with several screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, taking note of their locations. Now, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. When you have removed the old battery, take your new battery and connect it in the same manner as the old one. Ensure it is securely in place and reconnect the battery cable. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Reattach the screen by aligning it properly and pressing down firmly to secure the adhesive. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 5 to ensure that it starts up correctly and that the new battery is functioning as expected. To prevent battery issues in the future, try not to let your device drain completely before charging and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regularly check for software updates, as these can help optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.